Hey guys, Lens here. So I'm going to talk about how you can remove dirt from your car headliner using a sponge. Well, I've done so, and I remove a lot of dirt here, and I can still see some dirt in this spot. You can just use a wet foam or sponge, and you can gradually do this, and this will actually help you remove the dirt. I've been doing this, and I've been seeing that the dirt is being removed, right? Without defacing the headliner. There is also another method as well. I've been removing some from this area here. There is indeed another method, because I have a lot of dirt over here as well. If you can see, there's a lot of dirt here. Let me use my flashlight to show you. What we are going to do, we are going to remove all of it, and you can see the dirt there. We are going to remove all of it, and we are going to use soap. We are going to use the sponge and the soap. The method is that you want to apply soap first. Then after you apply soap, you want to squeeze out the soap, and then you want to use water with the sponge, and then you want to use the sponge alone without any water in it. What you want to do, you want to gently apply some soap like this. I'm going to gently apply soap, and when I say gently, as you can deface the surface of the foam. So this is what we're going to do here. Then what we're going to do, we are going to rinse this out and leave some water in the foam to suck the soap water out. This is what you want to do. You want to have some water in the sponge, and you want to have minimum water in the sponge, and you want to do this. You want to do this to suck the soap out of the car headliner. You want to do this. If you don't have sufficient water in the sponge, you can go ahead and add more water in the sponge, right? So then, remember I told you that I rinse this. So when we squeeze, we should get sponge water coming out. When we squeeze, we should get like soap water coming out. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to squeeze out everything out of the sponge, and then suck everything out. If you notice, we are not seeing any more dirt or anything there. We are only seeing the wet part of the car headliner fabric. Yeah, so all the dirt are gone, right? Even here where we had a piece of dirt here, all gone. Actually see the dirt mark here. We are going to take this out, and as I said, we are going to use soap to take this out, and you want to gently just apply the soap the area. After applying the soap to the area, you want to add water to the sponge So we applied soap to the area. We are going to add water to the sponge to suck. We are going to add water to the sponge to suck the dirt out. That's what we are going to do. Got the sponge. There is no soap in it, right? Just water in the sponge. I just rinse this. So what we're going to do, we're just going to apply back the sponge where we apply the soap. And we're going to do this twice as we put a good bit of soap water here.
You can see.
We're going to rinse the sponge and apply another. Look at this. That's soap water coming out. So we're going to rinse this. You can see soap on my finger there. We're going to rinse this and we're going to do it again to suck the soap dirt out of the car headliner. So now you can see that it is actually fading out. So let us just squeeze this out and do this again one more time. This time I happen to put more water in the sponge. So, well, so far I noticed that the dirt disappeared. So what we're doing now, we're just doing some finishing touch. We are just going to leave this to dry. So what I am going to do, I'm going to squeeze this out. So once this is squeezed out, I am going to suck out whatever is in the headliner across here. So just going to suck out using the sponge. Suck it out. So as you can see, the dirt is gone, and we are going to come back when this is dry. So all I used was this sponge and also this soap, and you just gotta just do your thing. Guys, as for the dirt, it is gone. If you look, you can see that we are not seeing any dirt there, and that the dirt is gone, right? This is to show you that the dirt is gone. And on the other side, if you take a look, the dirt is gone. It is still not dry 100% as to why you're seeing those marks, but definitely when it is dry, it will be as normal, like this side. So the dirt is completely gone, and this is how you can remove your dirt from your car headliner, upholstery, fabric, whatever material. And this is a light gray. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and do like, share, subscribe, and also comment down in the comment section if this was a good method in removing dirt from your car headliner.